Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use this right here. This is a Bissel SpotClean Professional portable carpet cleaner, and this will be a full tutorial for using it. Let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is the specific unit that I own. I bought this unit and I love it. I want to show you how to use it, okay? So first and foremost, you have two tanks on the unit. You have, right over here, you have the clean water tank, and before I continue, I just want to get you the specific model number. I actually have it written down over here, just so you know, this is specifically the 2891B. That is the specific model number of this unit, just so that you know. But they're all very similar. Even if your model is slightly different, it's probably going to work in a very similar manner to what I'm showing you. So first and foremost, you have your clean water tank, okay? Which is on this side over here. It's going to be labeled clean water and formula, okay? You can pull it off. I'm just going to move the cord over here, the tube. You can pull it off like that. And to fill it up, you just have to unscrew the cap, okay? So you would just unscrew the cap, just like that. You're gonna put warm water in there and any potential solution that you wanna use, and then tighten the cap back on. You can place it back in place just like that, okay? And you're loaded up, you're ready to go. Your dirty water tank is on the other side, it's on the opposite side. The water essentially travels out from the clean water tank out here, then it gets sucked back in and goes into the dirty water tank. So the water actually comes out from a little jet over here, and then it gets sucked back in through the vacuum extractor portion, then goes to your dirty water tank, okay? Sorry about the lighting. I'm in the garage, so the automatic light is turning on and off as it senses motion and so forth. Okay, so you have your dirty water tank. To remove your dirty water tank, you lift it up like that. Okay, you unlock it, you lift it up. You're gonna have your dirty water in there, and then you can actually remove the lid over here to empty it out, okay? I'm gonna place it back in place just for a quick moment to sort of continue showing you exactly how it works. There we go. And I'm gonna lock it back in place like that. Give me one brief moment. I gotta lock one on here once. Okay, so on this side over here, we have our hose. We can wrap it around like that. And eventually, once it's wrapped around, you can sort of lock it in place like that. Okay, just so you know, I'm not gonna go ahead and wrap it all the way around because I don't wanna waste your time. I wanna keep this video nice and straight to the point. On the other side, we have our electrical wire, which is plugged into an extension cord right now. You can wrap it around, and then there's a part here that actually sort of opens and closes, so you can remove the cord, or you can wrap it around like that, okay? To turn the unit on, there's a button right here to turn it on, but before I show you that, I do want to show you that there are different attachments that you can have. To remove the attachment, there's a little button here. You press the button down, and you slide the attachment off, okay? Then you can get a different attachment and place your new attachment on the hose. For this video, I'm just going to be using this one attachment to keep it short and sweet. Now, when you turn the unit on, this button over here, I apologize if I'm getting off camera. I'm just really trying to monitor everything at once. This button right here will spray the water, and the suction will be happening through over here. So what I'm going to do is, and you would obviously regularly use this on fabrics like carpets and stuff like that, but I'm just going to use it right here on the concrete just to show you how effective it is. It can even suck up the water from being on the concrete, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the unit on with that button. I'm going to spray some water, and then I'm going to suck it up, and I'll let you sort of see what it looks like, because I know everyone likes looking at that extraction over there, okay? And obviously in a carpet, it would get even closer to the carpet, so it'd suck up even more water. So we're gonna turn it on. It is quite loud, but I'm gonna show you how to spray the water and suck it up, okay? Let's go. Okay. So as you saw right there, it's super easy to use. You press the button to spray the water, and then when the unit is turned on, and then you just run this over to vacuum up the water and extract it. And if you see this working on a dirty carpet, it looks unbelievable. It's crazy. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.